Do not buy another Amazon wig until you watch this video. I promise you.
My style, you're my truth.
Okay, so you stayed. Hello, welcome back to this channel. So we have another Amazon wig review for you. Okay, so this is the wig that I received, and I'm just going to show you snippets of what she looks like. This is a Yaki straight wig, a 7x5 wig, glueless, and she's 24 inches, and it comes with natural edges. Okay, so as you can see, we got some natural edges right there. Now this wig is completely glueless. It has combs, adjustable straps, I mean not adjustable straps, but an elastic band. Okay, and I flat ironed this off camera, and we're just going to go ahead and jump into the install. Now, this wig retails for about $200, and I believe it might have a coupon if I'm not mistaken, but I will leave the link to this wig down below in the description box. Make sure you go look at that, okay? Now, this wig comes ready to wear. I believe this one of their bye-bye knots, so it comes with bleach knots, pre-plucked hairline, lace cut, just ready to go. So for me, all I had to do was wash it, of course, or if you don't want to do that, you don't have to do that, but I washed mine and I flat ironed her off camera, and then I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses with the shade 16 and put that all over the lace. As you can see, she is melting. So let me tell you why I like Yaki straight units, okay? When it comes to Yaki straight units, the hair texture is already thick and it mimics natural hair textures, right? So this looks like my hair if I was to blow dry it really good or to do a light flat iron. So I love that these wigs, the Yaki straight textures, already come thick, okay, naturally thick. It's not overdone with hair or tracks or anything. This is not a heavy wig. This is definitely a lightweight wig, and I can say that I really like that, okay? Now, I have not tried curling this unit as of yet, but it flat irons like butter. I did see some of the texture, and I wanted to smooth it out, so I was just going to go back in with my nano flat iron and go through it quickly and remove that texture from the wig. So look at the wig, okay? It's not even glued down, and she looks amazing. As you can see, I'm putting the comb underneath the lace. Oh, and the lace is lacing. It is nice and thin, and I'm loving it. So I'm gonna take some spritz, put it on an edge brush, and just brush and mold the hair back, okay? This is just gonna make it nice. I know this wig had natural edges, but I'm just not. I like I just have to press that. Like I have to press it. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm not ready for the natural edge look all the way, but I have to press it. So I'm gonna take some Ruby Kisses, not Ruby Kisses, Red Bite Kiss in its aerosol can. It's an adhesive spray, and I'm going to spray it and let it air dry. And this is just going to help keep my lace down so it won't move, because I kind of have like a flat forehead. So the front of my lace always flaps. So I have to use some type of sprays or glues to lay my lace down. And I'm not a fan of glues like that anymore. So I like to use sprays. But look how shiny and silky this hair is. And like I said, it's not a lot of hair, but it looks thick and healthy and shiny and lustful. Like it, she looks really good. So if you're interested in this wig, let me know down below, or just go into the description box, and it will be there for you. Bye, best friends.